For that reason, you might be wondering, do I need to pack an umbrella if I'm going to be outside? And the answer for a couple of these days is yes or maybe. Wednesday, we're saying yes, especially if you live up in the Northwoods, as there's going to be a chance of pop-up showers and storms pretty much all day long. We're not getting the best idea of exactly when these storms are going to fire, so you really have to keep your eye on the radar and prepare for some rain to move in. Thursday, though, we're looking at a very small chance of rain, only about a 20% chance, and it should be lighter rain, so you might want to just throw the umbrella in the car, but you probably won't need it out there. And Friday is looking dry, so you won't need the umbrella there either. Now, our rain potential shows what we're expecting tonight, and you'll see zeros across the board. So it should be dry for the vast majority of tonight, but you'll see as we move into Wednesday, we are tracking about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch of rainfall possible across the state. Now, these are going to be widely scattered rain showers, so while it looks like a lot of the area is going to be getting a lot of rainfall, it's likely going to be more some areas get 1/2 an inch and some areas get zero rainfall at all. And you'll see that here on our satellite radar and future track forecast in just a second as well. So across the state of Wisconsin right now, not too much going on. We are seeing a couple of showers and even severe thunderstorms popping up in Minnesota. So the energy is in the atmosphere for strong thunderstorms right now. Thankfully, the activity we're seeing right now is going to be tracking more towards the south and likely missing us by 100 miles or so. Now, our future track forecast is going to show when we're expecting some rainfall, and that is going to be on Wednesday, but the timing is a little bit hard to narrow down. You can see there is a small chance of rain as early as 4 o'clock tomorrow morning for those who live in the Northwoods, but this does quickly fizzle out, and then we'll just have some small pop-up chances of rain in the morning hours to around midday. Once we head into the midday hours, that's our highest chance of rain. You'll see this line of showers does develop, but it is still going to be very spotty in nature. So you can see in some areas we are looking at some moderate showers, but others we're looking pretty dry. And there is a small chance of thunderstorms. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center has issued a level 1 risk for severe weather on Wednesday. Heading into Thursday, we're looking at a potential chance, I might say, for some shower activity in the morning, but by the afternoon things should start to fizzle out. The main thing you're going to notice outside the rainfall the next couple of days is once again that rising heat and humidity as dew points push into the 60s on Wednesday and Thursday. Thankfully, much more comfortable by Friday. Now, tonight we drop down to 63. It's going to be on the mild side, partly cloudy. You might want to run the AC instead of opening up the windows tonight. Our forecast tomorrow, 85 with that cloud-sun mix. 7-day forecast moving forward drops us down to 81 on Friday with partly cloudy skies after a warm Thursday. This weekend looking rather seasonal, a few degrees cooler in fact, with temperatures in the upper 70s and some small chances of rain.